Simula pa noong 1948, lubos na naibabahagi ang mabuting balita ni Hesukristo sa mga Pilipino sa ating bayan at maging sa mga nasa ibang bansa tungo sa Far East Broadcasting Company Philippines.
Sa Mega Manila, makakapakinig sa 702 DZAS-AM, Agapay ng Sambayanan, at 98.7 DZFE-FM sa Master's Touch. Sa Santiago City, Isabela, sa 1143 DZMR-AM, Missions Radio. Legazpi City, Albay, CARE 104.3 Dway FM. Sa Quezon, Palawan, 106.3 DZRK-FM, Radio Kapitbisig.
Sa Tacloban City, 97.5 DYFE-FM, unang tugon ng pamayanan. Bacolod City, 1233 DYVS-AM, the sweet voice of salvation. Up 987 DYFR-FM, life-changing. Sa Cagayan de Oro City, 103.3 the new J DXJL-FM, your positive choice.
Zamboanga City, 1116 DXAS-AM, your community radio. Cotabato City, 106.9 DXGR-FM, Radio Gandingan. Sa Coronadal City, 1062 DXKI-AM, your friendly voice. Davao City, 1197 DXFE-AM, sa Good News Radio. Makakapakinig din sa mga online streams at sa mga mobile apps.
Ito ang mga himpilan ng Far East Broadcasting Company Philippines sa ika-78 taong pagsasahimpapawid. Naghahatid ng mensahe ng kapayapaan ni Kristo hanggang marinig ng lahat. This is 1233 DYVS, the sweet voice of salvation, a non-commercial donor-supported radio station owned and managed by the Far East Broadcasting Company Philippines. As authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with license number 2760-BSD-0445-2024. This station operates daily from 4:30 in the morning to 8 in the evening on 1233 kHz amplitude modulation with a transmitter power output of 10 kilowatts. The studios are located at the ground floor of Smile Building, number 79 Verbena, San Sebastian Streets, Bacolod City, and the transmitter is located at Barangay Talok, Bago City. DYVS is being maintained and operated by the following personnel, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission and the Professional Regulation Commission. Electronics and Communications Engineer, Joaquin Aliga Jr., ECE number 001-1597, and First Class Radio Operators, Reynold Apohen, NTC License 02-1PVI-25768, Julie Sobi Belleza, NTC License Number 96-1PVI-18356, and Bonard Carmona, NTC License 93-1PVI-4858. Thank you for listening. This is 1233 DYVS, the sweet voice of salvation. Now signing off.
Ang islat ng matawat mo'y tagumpay na